Hello YouTube. This is a video on the MASALONG Karambit called the Woodpecker. The blade material is a D2. D2 steel is an air-hardened, high-carbon, high-chromium tool steel. It has high wear and abrasion resistant properties and will offer a hardness in the range of 55 to 62 HRC. I received this in 2 weeks, and it usually takes 3 weeks to a month to get a knife from MASALONG. It comes with a paracord bracelet, and it comes with a kydex sheath and a good belt clip. The scales that you see there are just a pseudo, what do you call that? It's supposed to look like fiber, carbon fiber, but it's just I believe it's just a plastic. I generally like a thick handle on a Karambit, but I like to wear this on my belt horizontally, like a offside or weak side K-bar knife. It comes with a good belt clip and a good kydex sheath. Fits in quite nice. This is a different sort of a lock system. They have another one that has a sort of a thing that flips over, but either way they're both a quality clip. I wear this on my belt like this, and it came razor sharp. I'm very impressed with the way it came, but bought this off Amazon. Was reasonably priced. I think it was, I'm trying to remember, maybe it was $35, $37, but really a interesting shape. Obviously they called it that because it resembles the crown of a woodpecker, I guess, but I like it. It's a nice knife, got a nice fit, great traction, chimping. I think I said that properly, but really an interesting shape to it. One of the reasons it attracted it to me is the ring is quite straight off the handle. A lot of the MASALONG knives, the ring is cocked right at the end, and the blade is also quite radius, so you end up with a very U-shaped knife, where this one is just a little bit straighter on. Anyway, that's my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.